HooplaKidz How To presents Chiki Art!
Hey kids, this video is going to be so much fun! We're going to draw and paint a honeybee, starting with the antennae, then the oval-shaped body, and of course the stripes, and the wings. Did you know that a bee's wings are actually so small, technically it shouldn't be able to fly? How amazing! Right, let's paint. Starting with black for the antennae and every other stripe. Do you know what a bee's antennae are used for? They're used for communicating. Isn't that amazing that bees communicate with each other? Right, we've gone for yellow next for the face, painting around those eyes. And of course, the remaining stripes will also be yellow. Gorgeous. We painted the sting black already, and we're going for the wings. Blue for the wings. If you paint diagonally from side to side, you can paint more surface area faster. Good little tip for you. See, we're not going in straight lines up and down or side to side. We're going diagonally. Almost there. You're doing a great job. Yes, and we are done. That is absolutely beautiful.